Jai Hind cadets, today we are going to study about agriculture, and in agriculture we will be studying about the cropping pattern in India. In India we are having physical diversities and pluralities of culture, and this is reflected in agriculture practices and in cropping pattern. The important crops which are grown in India are food crops, fibers, vegetables, fruits, spices and condiments. Cropping season. India has three cropping season: Rabi, Kharif and Jaid. So these are the three cropping seasons. First is Rabi crops. So Rabi crops are sown in winter season from October to December and harvested in summer from April to June. Sowing in winter from October to December and harvested in summer from April to June. This is the time period for Rabi crops. Which are the important crops? The important crops, Rabi crops are wheat, barley, pea, gram and mustard. Production. The crops are grown in large part of India. The states from the north and northwestern part, especially Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh. All these states are important for the production of wheat and other Rabi crops. Precipitation. Availability of precipitation during winter month. This is peculiar thing in the western side of India, northwestern side. So because of the western temperate cyclone, because of this western regions are getting rainfall, which helps in the success of these crops, means Rabi crops. These western cyclonic disturbances originate from the Mediterranean Sea, and with the help of westerlies it comes to India and it gives rain in the northwestern part of India, especially Punjab, Haryana, Jammu Kashmir. All these states, all these regions are getting sufficient rainfall, and because of the heavy rainfall in winter time, it is very helpful for the growth of these crops. Green Revolution. The success of the Green Revolution in Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and parts of Rajasthan has also been an important factor in the growth of Rabi crops. Green Revolution means using of high yielding variety of seeds, using of insecticides, pesticides and giving better irrigation helps in the growth of this vegetation, as well as it increases the production. Next one is Kharif crop. So Kharif crops are grown with the onset of monsoon and harvested in September and October. Onset means onset of monsoon means June and July, and harvested in September and October means before winter. This is the time period for Kharif crop. Which are the important crops? So paddy, maize, jowar, bajra, tur, moong, urad, cotton, jute, groundnut and soya bean. All these are the important Kharif crops. Now the rice growing regions: Assam, West Bengal, coastal regions of Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Maharashtra, especially the Konkan coast, along with Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. These are the regions of rice growing regions. Paddy has also become an important crop of Punjab and Haryana. If you see this figure, this map of India, eastern side of India, these regions are getting sufficient rainfall at the time of arrival of the monsoon. These regions are getting sufficient rainfall, and because of the availability of water, these regions used to grow rice. Crops of paddy. States like Assam, West Bengal and Odisha, especially in Assam, West Bengal and Odisha, 3 crops of paddy are grown in a year. In a same year, 3 crops are paddy are grown. Their names are Os, Aman and Boro. Third one is Jaid. In between the Rabi and the Kharif season, there is a short season during the summer month known as the Jaid season. Summer month, Jaid crops are grown. Which are the Jaid crops? Watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, vegetables and fodder crops. All these are Jaid crops. Sugarcane takes almost a year to grow. It is a time taking. Major crops. A variety of food and non-food crops are grown in different parts of the country depending upon the variations in soil, climatic condition, means temperature and rainfall. And the next one is cultivation practices. Variation in soil, climate and cultivation practices. On these 3, a variety of crops and non-food crops are grown in different parts of the country. Major crops grown in India. In India, the major crops which are grown are rice, wheat, millets. Millet means jowar, bajra and ragi. Pulses, tea, coffee, sugarcane, oil seeds and cotton, jute, etc. These are the major crops which are grown in India. We will take first rice. Now, rice is a staple food crops of a majority of the people in India. So most of the people in India are eating rice. That is why it is a staple food crops. Our country is the second largest producer of rice in the world after China. Means in the production, first is China and India is on second position. Rice, it is a kharif crop. It is sown on the arrival of monsoon, after the arrival of monsoon, kharif crop, which requires high temperature above 25 degree Celsius. Humidity, high humidity with annual rainfall above 100 centimeters. So these are important things. Temperature above 25 degree Celsius and annual rainfall above 100 centimeter. This is required. In the areas of less rainfall, rice is grown with the help of irrigation. Growing regions. Rice is grown in the plains of north and northeastern India, coastal areas and the deltaic region. If you see the map, the eastern India, delta region and coastal regions, these regions are having sufficient availability of water, and because of the availability of water, rice is grown in large quantity. Growing in less rainfall region. So the development of dense network of canal irrigation. So canals are made for irrigating and these canals are made in the areas of less rainfall. Next one is tube wells. So tube wells have made it possible to grow rice in less rainfall regions. For example, if you take the example of Punjab, Haryana and western Uttar Pradesh and parts of Rajasthan, all these regions are having less rainfall. So in these regions, canal irrigation and irrigation with the help of tube wells plays very important role for doing irrigation. So here we will stop, and next we will continue in next video with next crop. Thank you.